beautiful. You're so beautiful. I have some for you.
I see pamut-but, sir.
Ay.
I pose. But I pose for you.
Guess who?
Yes naman. Alam ko naman ito. Yan
Kung totoo sila mag-asawa, magkikis yan.
And how about si Raquel? Number 1, pinaubayang asawa. Ikaw ba?
Ayun. Ang sabi ng balita.